Okay, if you haven't seen my video about temporary filler or Sculptra, go and click on those videos because it does help with some of the backstory, because this leads to the Mac Daddy, my favorite product. Authentically, if you said I had to choose one product to have in my arsenal as an injectable, it would be Bellafill. So Bellafill is the longest lasting filler. Bellafill has an FDA approved duration of 5 years. So the crazy thing is the study ended at 5 years, but when they did a 10-year follow-up study, more than 80% of patients were still happy with their correction at 10 years. So basically what we're talking about is the longest lasting filler available on the market today. And it works by stimulating your own collagen. And while it does that, it gives us the volume of your new collagen, but it also improves skin quality. It's also a very elegant filler, meaning it's in a collagen base. So the collagen is just like your collagen, very similar. So it's very elegant, and it allows me to use it in a versatile way, meaning I can use it to structure the jaw, reshape the nose, reshape the marionette lines and the nasolabial folds. Basically, anywhere there's a shadow in the face, I can soften it using Bellafill to correct the volume that you've lost as you age, or to fine-tune things. So I have younger patients that come in that want some fine-tuning to look super snatched. I can do that with Bellafill, and it's gonna be long-lasting. It does improve over time. So when I inject a patient, it will look better as the weeks go on, even as the months go on, because your body is going to stimulate new collagen. And it gets a little complicated, but that new collagen actually converts into a different type of collagen, which is even softer and more beautiful, but that takes many months. So this is a product that really truly improves as you give it the time to change over time. I inject the product in a progressive way. So I'll inject a patient, you'll have a little post-treatment swelling. The swelling typically lasts about 48 hours. Usually the swelling looks really good. But after 48 hours, the swelling calms down and you see some of your result already. It looks great, but then it's gonna improve. And I usually will retreat a patient at 6 to 8 weeks or longer. So it's very flexible. But I always want to do a progressive correction over time because we need to give it time to see the real result. And that also ensures that I keep the result looking really natural. I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm not gonna overcorrect a patient. It allows me to take baby steps to make it look better and better over time. I feel like Bellafill is my most powerful tool to reverse the aging process, meaning I have patients that I've been treating for 18 years. And when you look at pictures over time, if I've incorporated Bellafill in their treatment, they actually look younger over time. It's so cool. My mom, if you haven't looked at my mom video, there's a picture of my mom in that, and you can see her results from Bellafill over time. So what I'd say is, if I was to choose a product for most of my patients as a structural foundation for their volume correction, Bellafill is usually a part of that treatment plan. Bellafill has a duration of 5 years on label, but does last longer. It's the longest lasting option. It's the most powerful tool I have in my toolbox. And I will say, without a doubt, my happiest patients are my Bellafill patients. Hope this helps. Cheers.